Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we insert a sheet row in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, what does it means to insert a sheet row? Like here I'm selecting the row number 7 and you can just select and drag the cell, but it's the same thing. I'm selecting the cell of row number 7 and the row number 7 is selected. After selecting the row, just click on home and in this cell group you will see insert option. Click on this arrow and you will see insert sheet row. Just click on that, and as you can see guys, the 7 number row which we were selected is now a new row in this complete sheet. As you can see, it's inserted in a complete sheet right now. So similarly, if you want to insert multiple of rows, then just select the row. Like here I'm selecting 9, 10 and 11 and go to home, click on this insert arrow and just click on insert sheet rows. As you can see guys, this 9 to 11, a new row is inserted. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.